so you can understand why country is at the very heart of what we do. So what do you say, gang? We'll do some country. Come on. When I look at her eyes, it ain't no surprise. Sparks start flying like the 4th of July. She gets me so hot, my heart starts to pumping. When we get to kissing, there ain't no stopping. When it comes to loving, she ain't no slacker. My little darling is a firecracker. When you light the fuse, you gotta get back quick. You gotta be careful with the dynamite stick. Son of a gun, she's fun to handle. And she packs a punch like a Roman can. She's a pack of black cats in a red paper wrapper. My little darling is a firecracker. It might not ought to take a roll in the hay, 'cause we'll burn the barn down on one of these days. Match made in heaven and there ain't no joke. But I sure hate to see it go up in smoke. We got a good thing going and it feels so right. And she's a firecracker, she's the light of my life. She goes off with a rapid bang. I tell you, it's a beautiful thing. She takes off, you better hang on tight. She's a brunette bottle rocket in the middle of the night. She makes love, she's a heart attacker. My little darling is a firecracker. Yeah! We might not ought to take a roll in the hay, 'cause we'll burn the barn down one of these days. Match made in heaven and there ain't no joke. But I sure hate to see it go up in smoke. We got a good thing going and it feels so right. She's a firecracker, she's the light of my life. Burn it up, boys! Woo! And they said, oh! Hey, Bobby, hang on just a second, Bob. How you doing tonight? What's your name? What's your name? Marie, come up here for a second. Help Marie up. Come on, Marie. Come here, girl. That's right. Come on up here because I want to show you all. Stand down here in the light so we can see you. We'll blind you with that thing. Marie, you know, I kept looking at Marie's been smiling all night long. We love that. Marie, where are you from? Where you?
Johnson City, Tennessee.
Johnson City, over in East Tennessee. That's just beautiful country over there. Is this your husband over here, Marie?
That's right.
What's his name?
George Dalton.
George Dalton. And how many years with George? 5. Newlywed. You still on your honeymoon?
Yep.
Yeah, I love to hear that. Hip hip hooray! Yeah. Okay. George, you know, I kept looking at her. She looks like a firecracker. She is. Yeah. It's okay if I dance with her a little bit? He don't care.
Okay.
Okay. And Marie, I tell you what, is that all right with you?
Fine with me.
Sure. Okay. I'll tell you what, then, Marie. I'm gonna lead. Look, no, I'm gonna lead, honey. Yeah. You just grab hold tight there. A little higher. A little higher. A little higher. 60 months is good. That's great stuff there. All right, Marie. Since you got your hand out of my wallet now, we can commence to this thing. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Bobby, cut her loose. Here we go. We got a good thing going and it feels so right. She's a firecracker. She's the light of my life. We got a good thing going and it feels so right. She's a firecracker. She's the light of my life. She's a firecracker. She's the light of my life. Woo!